Nigerians, go and get a gun. Forget any purchases or investments you want to make at the moment. Just go and get yourselves a very good gun. As you can see, your president is no longer interested in securing your lives. He is more interested now in getting his second term in 2027. The governor of Plateau State, in whose state a lot of people were massacred, came to the scene in an armored vehicle and refused to even come down from the armored vehicle. And what did he say to the people to reassure them? Oh, we will bury the dead. Nothing was said about justice. Nothing was said about grabbing the perpetrators of this terrorism. Your chief of army staff is more interested in quoting you the prodigal son in the Bible than in apprehending the culprits who are massacring our people every day. I tell you sincerely, go get yourself a very good gun. It is the greatest investment you can have now. Because as it is, we are on our own. The middle belt is decimated as we speak. The southwest of Nigeria, many villages have been sacked in Kwara, Ondo, Ekiti. The press is not reporting most of this because they've been compromised. We cannot look at our National Assembly for succor because those ones, you know what they are. Most of the governors are fighting for a second term, and so they are not interested in your security. Nigerians, we're on a long term. Go get yourself a very good gun. It is the greatest investment you can make in 2026. God bless you.